this, this, and this. This is all made inside Thank You AI. It's basically one platform where you can create audio, images, and videos without switching tools. You're literally watching two images turn into a video. This is called start and end frame. You give AI a starting image and an ending image, and it creates the transition between them. Let me show you how this actually works. I'm taking this as my starting frame, and this is my ending frame. I'm not doing anything complicated, just uploading both. Set the duration to a few seconds and generate. Give it a second, and here it is. That's not an edit, that's fully AI generated. And the crazy part is how smooth this looks. It actually feels like it was filmed. You can do this with the same image too, like turning a neutral face into a smile or changing the entire mood of a scene. Even something like day to night transitions. This basically turns any idea in your head into a real video. And this is probably the most shareable feature here. Add a simple sound effect on top, and you've got a finished clip. No editing software, no complicated setup. If you've got two images, you can make this. Drop two images in the comments. I'll turn the best ones into videos next. Links in the description if you want to try it.